Hello PHP lovers, I am Shaukin. Welcome to this third tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk on PHP syntax. In the previous tutorial, we have discussed on some of PHP syntaxes like PHP start tag, end tag, and we also discussed that every PHP statement ends with a semicolon. As well as from that tutorial, we know that we can type a string in PHP using single quote or double quote as our wish. So in this tutorial, we will talk something more about PHP syntax. Before starting our main topic, let's run the previous code again. Open up your browser. Don't forget to turn on your Apache server. Type the localhost on the address bar / the folder name of the project. The name was first code, and hit the enter button. So this is the result of our previous code, and here I want to give you information. For giving the information, I need to open the source code of the page. To open it, right click on any blank space here, click the view page source, and if you observe the portion of code, so you will see that there is no PHP start or end tag is here. That means our PHP script executed on the server and plain HTML result is sent back to the browser. Hopefully this information will help you in future. So now we will move on our main topic. In this tutorial we will talk on PHP syntax. So let's start. Open up the previous code. We will not write any new code in this tutorial. We will work on our previous code. So open it. This is our previous code. And we will start to talking about PHP comment. What is PHP comment? Suppose you want to write a note in your code for helping others to understand your code or recalling yourself what you have done it earlier in your code. For example, let's try to write a note in this code like this is my first PHP code. Here I used the echo function for printing a message. So this is a comment for me to recall myself what I have done here. Let's run the code. See, the code is not working. It shows an error because we didn't follow the proper method to write PHP comment. So what is the proper method to write PHP comment? For single line commenting, you have to put the double slash at the beginning of the comment. Now it's considered as the single line comment, and the server will understand this portion of the program is not executable. Suppose I am a server, and when I will execute the code, I will understand that this portion of the program is not executable and I don't have any headache about this line. Now let's run the code again. See, the code is working and there is no effect here for writing the comment in my PHP script. Let's open the source code of the page. See, here is also no effect for writing the comment in my PHP script. So this is the process for writing a single line comment in PHP. Now what happens if I want to write multiple line comment in PHP? For example, suppose I want to make it the second line of the comment. So what's the procedure? One thing I can do, that is, I can put the double slashes at the beginning of the second line as well. So the both line will be considered as the single line comment. Now think if you need to write 1,000 lines of comment in your code. So what will happen? Will you put double slashes at the beginning of each line? No, that will be very difficult. So what is the easiest way? The easiest way is take a slash at the beginning of the comment and an asterisk sign. So this is the start syntax of multiple line commenting, and at the end of the comment take an asterisk sign and a slash. So this is the end syntax of multiple line commenting. Now save the file and refresh the page. See, the code is working, and this is the process for writing multiple line comment in PHP. So that's the portion of PHP comment topic. Now we will talk on PHP case sensitivity. Actually, in PHP, all keywords, classes, functions, user-defined functions are not case sensitive. For example, here I use the echo function using all small letters. Now I will write it again using all capital letters. Echo with all capital letters. Now let's run the code again, refresh the page. See, still now the code is working properly. That means this is the proof that PHP function is not case sensitive. Let's try another thing. Write the echo function with the combination of small and capital letter. Save. Refresh the page. See, the code is still now working well. That means it's proved that all PHP keywords, classes, functions, and user-defined functions are not case sensitive, but PHP variable is case sensitive, and we will talk on PHP variable in our next tutorial. So that's all for this tutorial. In our next tutorial we will learn PHP variable, and hopefully you have enjoyed PHP as well as this tutorial series. If you have any query regarding this video, please comment, and if you enjoy, then please share it with your friends and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. Thank you.